Are you preparing for the NISM Series 8 exam and giving mock tests, but your score is not improving? Then you're not using mock tests the right way. The problem is not your effort. The problem is your method. In this video, I will show you the right step-by-step way to use mock tests effectively so that you can improve your score in the real exam. Mock tests are not just practice. They are your performance analysis tool. They feel like a real exam. Step 1. Start with a baseline mock test. Give your first full-length mock test seriously. Treat it like the real exam. Focus on these points. Attempt only what you know. Do not guess randomly. Check your actual preparation level. This test will show where you really stand. Step 2. Analyze your mistakes deeply. After every test, spend at least 30 to 40 minutes reviewing mistakes. Find errors like wrong answers, calculation mistakes, questions guessed randomly, wrong formulas used. Read every explanation carefully. This is where real learning happens. Step 3. Focus on weak areas. Now identify weak chapters and revise them repeatedly. Focus especially on options numerical, futures pricing, margin concepts. Improving weak areas gives the fastest score growth. Step 4. Practice updated mock tests. Always use updated mock tests. Old material can waste your time. Try this routine. 2 full-length mock tests daily. Revise weak chapters after tests. Build concept clarity continuously. Consistency creates results. Step 5. Improve strategy. This exam has 25% of negative marking, so strategy matters a lot. Focus on avoid blind guessing, skip difficult questions, attempt only high-confidence questions. Even skipping questions can improve your score. Final exam tip. Before the actual exam, give 1 to 2 full mocks in real exam conditions. Make sure proper timing, no disturbance. Try to score around 90% consistently before exam day. Do not overload yourself with too many tests just before the exam. Start using mock tests the right way, and you will see real score improvement. If you are looking for the updated mock tests at an affordable price, along with short notes and video lectures, you can visit our website, www.nismexams.in. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more valuable content.